What's up, guys? So we are off to Darjeeling. We are at Bagdogra. The temperature is really warm. It will be somewhere around 26 to 27 degree and pleasant weather. So very beautiful city. So let's explore Darjeeling. So on the way you have beautiful peaks, mountain peaks, and beautiful view. So stay tuned for more updates. Do like and subscribe to my channel. And here we go. Let's start from here. हाँ लाइट से कुछ खास So we are outskirts of the city. मतलब रोड अभी ठीक है क्या?
अभी रोड चौड़ा कर दिया है।
कहाँ से चौड़ा नहीं है?
चौड़ा नहीं है,
पहले से थोड़ा सा बड़ा है।
अच्छा वैसा ही है।
पहले जैसा रोड बहुत पतला हुआ करता था ना, नया था। क्योंकि मैंने ऊटी देखा है, नैनीताल देखा है, उधर से भी इसका रास्ता बहुत थोड़ा एकदम पतला होता था।
कितना 5 डिग्री हो जाएगा रात में? Oh, अच्छा। अमृतसर? ओह अच्छा।
लेकिन जगह छोटा है, आदमी ज्यादा हो गया, जगह बहुत कम।
नहीं, मैंने सोचा दीदी आया है, कुछ किया है कि नहीं पता नहीं, 10 साल तो हो गए दीदी के। पहले तो सीपीएम राज में ज्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं, अभी दीदी के राज में पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। लेकिन दार्जिलिंग के लिए सभी का मतलब अलग मतलब ये बचपन में आता था ना।
नहीं जाएंगे वो।
वो जो हाई वाला है ना, दैट इज अराउंड 8482 फीट।
So how about the sea level?
मार्च को नहीं, सी लेवल के ऊपर इतना है।
7,000. Okay.
टाइगर हिल।
Okay. What about Darjeeling from here?
1000 मीटर लेस होगा।
Beautiful greenery. लेकिन एक चीज नोटिस कर रहा है, बहुत क्लीन है ना ये?
नहीं, ग्रीनरी है ही।
No, I mean to say the roads are very clean. There's no.
This is tourist spot, na, they have to. That's tourist will not come, it's gone. We also keep on checking for the system of the
No, you do. Of course. hotel anywhere. It's fine.
You have to choose. Your
I have no
homestay.
problem. I have no problem.
You have to do your homestay.
So we are on the hills. Find very narrow road here. Beautiful. The weather is slowly changing, dropping down. Right? Exactly, exactly. Yeah. You could see that mountains there, right there. Take our jackets. Take out our jackets. Getting cold. So we stopped here for momos, very famous, and some Darjeeling tea. So let's go and taste it.
No, this is not a cafe, I guess. This is a cafe.
No, they have a cafe. I guess they have a cafe. Yeah, it's there. See, it's a cafe here. Yeah. Will you order something? Table. Or we can sit here. No?
What menu? Excuse me, ma'am, do you have menu?
So we'll do one thing. I think we'll have chai somewhere out.
Yeah, it will be still.
I didn't like the menu. I want to have something authentic, like they have.
That will be better to go in Darjeeling.
I think we are not that far, no, from.
Not far. Maybe half an hour, 45 minutes.
So we can eat there. That's it.
Let's go.
Did you have? Oh, our car is parked there. So, I didn't like the food here, unfortunately. So, hunt for food will be continued in Darjeeling, inshallah. Let's see. Where is the cab guy? This is one. So let's see. This is the cab. And let's continue our journey and eat something over there.
As Osun Korun, work is little less. No, I'm doing events also. No. I have a production house. That's going slow little.
Finally, we got the room, and decent enough. The wooden flooring with a beautiful Darjeeling city view. So the mall road is this. So I'm gonna explore the place around. So stay tuned for more videos, more interesting travel videos. So cheers. Bye bye.